Oh hey, I'm glad you're here. I've been meaning to talk to you about something important. It's a problem that's plagued people for centuries. The problem is with your sunglasses. What do you do with them when you're not using them? You could throw them in a drawer, you could put them on top of your dresser, but then they get scratched or damaged and they just take up way too much space. Now I've spent countless sleepless nights trying to think of a solution for this problem. And I think I found it, and you're going to be pleased. It's cost effective and it looks really good. Now if you follow me to the garage, I'll show you what I'm talking about. And over here, I've got a demonstration set up so you can see how it works. This is the sunglasses rack to solve all your problems. It is so simple to use that even a government official can use it without messing things up. Yes, it's true. Allow me to demonstrate how easy this is to use. First of all, you take off your sunglasses after you're done working and you hang them up on the rack. It's that simple. Now I know what you're thinking. There's an awful lot of space between these sunglasses, and the space could be much better utilized if the rack was a little bit shorter. Well, when you build your own, you can make your own dimensions and do it however you want. I decided to go with a little extra space just in case I get a big pair of sunglasses for some random reason, sometime, somewhere in the future. But that's the beauty of it. I can do whatever I want, and so can you.